Hi, my angels! We've got something very special for you today. Cover up the acne and create a flawless makeup look out of it. Prepping and priming the face is the key to a smoother makeup look. After that, add a decent amount of foundation all over the face. Starting off on the acne and then spread out the products all over it. A beauty blender is just the right product for blending out. It looks super nicely covered. That super light concealer works perfectly on covering up the dark circles and getting that lifting effect. Blending it out evenly so it looks super nice. You can already see the difference from before, can't you? The products are looking super smooth already. Yup, loose and powdery definitely sets the products perfectly, so you might want to use it if you want to avoid creasing. A decent amount of it can help you a lot. Looking good, gorgeous! Fixing spray can help you to keep that makeup flawless for the whole day. That super cute pink blush definitely makes the face a little warmer. And that purple eyeshadow on top suits her tan in the best way possible. Who wouldn't like a little bit of shine in their eyes? That sharp bold wing is looking fantastic with those falsies on top. Need lips to complete this makeup look in the perfect way. Love this one! You can always create something special like this with the right makeup. Looking gorgeous, sweetie!